Hey y'all. I don't really know what to say, but I'm going to Jamaica. Going to the airport at 1:30. Then when we get on the plane, we're going to Chicago. And then from Chicago, we're going to Jamaica. But we gotta stay in Chicago for 2 hours. So yeah. Oh, y'all can hear me because I know this fan is loud, but I'll show y'all my nails. Look at my nails. Focus. These are my nails. I broke the flower, y'all. Oh my god, I broke all my flowers. And then my hair done by Blue. The best in Durham. What are you talking about? But I'm gonna show y'all my hair. So I'm gonna start recording when we're on the way there. Oh, hey vlog. It's me here. There go Alana. Cam. There go Jordan. Stressed out. We about to go to the airport. What time is it? 12:02. Y'all, we was in the bathroom being girls doing our lashes. Oh no. Babe, that's not even know I'm getting. Yeah.
I guess I should take my scarf off.
Alright, bye y'all. We lit. Bumper clap. Hey. Bumper clap. Hey. Only airport I've been to was an airport in GTA.
Samantha, be quiet. And when you calling my name, baby, I can tell that you want it. Lord! Okay, everybody's starting to come. Hey! I be on the ground.
Y'all, we going to the Jamaica. I'm excited. Y'all, it is 2:03. Oh shit. It's 2:03. And we just arrived. And I plan on leaving at 5, but we gotta go through checkout, all that stuff. Oh, my man had sent me some pictures of myself that he had took. I love my boyfriend so much. I'm gonna miss him so much, y'all. 33 of us, but it's with adults also. So
It's 33 of us?
yeah, all of us.
Okay, 33 of us.
Okay, there they go.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a...
Okay, I'm gonna come back when there's more people. Like,
Wait, hold on. Let me do a whole intro. Hey guys, we are fit to go to Jamaica. And yeah, period. Alright, I'm done. Y'all, oh, it's cold. Wait, hold on. Oh, y'all, basically, we got the passport. Okay. Got the passports. We're finna go, y'all. Basically, that is what it is. And if you're not going to Jamaica, you're talking you need to get your priorities together.
teenagers, you know, going to Jamaica.
Little bitch that's running that neck behind the scenes. Y'all's in Jamaica. That's like it's in Jamaica.
You even got your passport. Oh,
Yeah.
Clark.
You even have your hair done.
Ooh.
Yeah. Wait till you wait.
Okay, see, she want to be a game banger.
Right, wait.
We'll show up, bro. You can't be like that. You done left your ID. You can't leave.
I didn't even do the time. Time is 2:50, and we just came in. They don't open till 3. I guess we just gonna wait until. Of course, we gonna wait, but like, we're gonna wait until they open. Kelvin and Amelia already arguing. They just got in here. They didn't even get into the place yet.
Now when we get in that room and they play Get It Sexy, I'm gonna get it sexy for real.
She gonna get it sexy. Introduce yourself.
How y'all doing, man? You know what I'm saying? My name Kelvin, man. Instagram. Wait, what is this going on? What is going on?
YouTube.
Alright, hey, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, you know how to know, yeah. My Instagram, Coochie Man, only one Coochie Man, you know. Cause you know. But, so now I'm a virgin. But, you know, hear that? Well, you got a question for me or something?
Your mouth.
Get that bitch out the camera.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't worry about that bitch. Don't worry about that bitch. Don't worry about that bitch.
You just hit me in my face.
Y'all cussing a lot in here. Oh my god. Girl, see, that's where you just let the camera go off of you, cause what? So we just arrived at our gate, and right now we're just waiting. I have to wait for like 2 hours. I don't really know how much time we gotta wait, but let me show y'all the gate. So yeah. Hey, we just got to thank you. I miss you so much. Okay. BBL dresses. BBL dresses. Alright.
IG model. Ooh.
What does that mean? Don't say that.
I mean, dude, what a million. All we know is breadcrumb. Mommy.
You keep saying that.
Small.
If you do not meet all of this, please make sure your seatbelt.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that back out. Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. What's it going?
All back in the time, please.
It's 6:36. We in Chicago. So we made it to Chicago. We're waiting on the plane to go to Jamaica. You know I'm taking, baby. I don't believe, so you should know better.
Please move in here first.
Can you move in here? Thank you. Y'all, so we got some nice seats. We got some snacks from the people beside us and the people behind us. Okay, y'all.
Look. Please cut the fake YouTube out.
Girl,
let me start my GoPro, guys.
So yeah, we're about to.
But this thing did good underwater.
Make you know say anything when you do, them must commend it. So anything when you do, I did that.
This is why I gotta go to sleep. I can't. You don't feel that?
You gotta go up. You gotta go down. You gotta study.
Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money. From my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the land. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know be, die for nothing.
What's the video? Oh. How y'all doing? Yeah, we in Jamaica, man. We in July in Jamaica, man. Hey, anything, just let me know. Do tour guides, things of that nature. Just have some fun, dude. What a bitch. That's what I want to know. Video.
What?
That's what I want to know.
I wanted to be in the back. Oh, Kelvin. That's all I'm doing.
Oh, well, I was gonna say I'm ready to get out into a swimsuit, but same thing. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. I didn't eat like that whole time. Like when we was in Chicago, I didn't eat. When we was in Raleigh,
I ain't eat nothing.
take this
Big
off.
bag,
I'm sick of
big
black.
bag.
I don't care.
Look at
I'm
it.
ready to get out.
Yes, Kelvin. No, you don't, Kelvin.
Hit me, ladies. Gonna hit me, like.
Not that language.
Ew, that's it. Okay.
Send me that.
What's it go? You are go? All the Bentley.
Alright, so do we have any first timer here?
Yay!
All of us.
Wow, a lot of virgins.
Huh?
Alright, welcome.
Ride the boat, I know be different things.
It smells so good here. Jesus.
Does it really?
It smells like shampoo.
Smell like pool.
It smells good.
First one.
A hot mess. Bro, sitting in the front of that bus, man, that man almost ran into like 5 things. He haunted the whole Jamaica. I was about to say whole Durham, whole Jamaica. Oh, hey, nah, how you doing, bro?
Named it lemonade. Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to Jamaica.
With ice. Well, I'm a little tipsy.
It's got water in it.
Shut up. Don't.
There we go. Hi, Alana, camera, views, supporters. It's your girl Simone and Deshay. Yeah, she left her camera with me. So.
We were trying to figure out how to turn it on, and we found out how to turn it on.
So currently we're waiting because we're ready to eat. Yeah, just let you know. I'm finna eat down, okay? Finna eat down.
There you go.
Real nice hotel. I rated the hotel. The room,
7.
A 7 out of 10.
It's 7.5. 8.
But the hotel itself,
Like
10 out of 10.
What is this called?
The front desk, the lobby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Here we are. Hey.
Welcome in.
Hey, let me shut and lock the door because we're in a foreign country.
Man, so right here we're gonna start with the bathroom.
It smell like bleach. They definitely. We don't know how this toilet work, y'all.
We got the tub, you know, get in the tub. Nice. Okay, we got the closet right here. We got the safe. What's over here? The freezer. Anything in the freezer?
Oh, y'all stuff in the freezer and refrigerator.
Okay, over
I gotta
here.
pay for it.
This is one of the girls' room.
One.
Amelia's right here. Me and Jordan. Right here.
That makes no sense.
And then we have a Naya bed over here. And then we have the. We got the nice thing over here. And then
In my room, it's basically the same thing. It's basically the same thing, but like opposite inverse. So on this side, and we got the closet. It's robes in here, perfect. And we got the closet. Our room, it's not bigger, but we got only one bed. We got a queen bed. I mean, a king and somebody sleeping there by themselves, which makes no sense. But you know, hey. This is the other side. This is the bathroom. It looked the same, y'all. Nothing special. Ooh, I got some water pressure to it. If you know, you know. Oh, and then this is the shower. And yeah. Oh, it's a mirror right here too. And then this is the other side.
period.
And then our balcony low key bigger. It would be Fafa if what's this?
Ain't no wreck your clothes.
Yes, this smart. We don't got that in America. And then it would be 5 if it was like a wall here, like we can see the other side. But anyways, this is our balcony. So we're gonna go because we're being rushed.
So right now we going to go eat, and then later we're gonna go to the pool. So right now we're trying to find where the freak we're going, but I ain't do my edges or nothing. Hold on, let me get in first.
So where's it?
So I just had jerk chicken, and then junk was hot, and I had a burger also, but I ate that. Right now, got a pina. What is it? I said pina colada. Boy, that jerk got hot, boy. So good. I'll come back when we doing something. We're not doing that right now. We at the little beach or whatever.
Swerve and I dip, swerve, turn your body, me never heard nobody and girl personally if you play 6 come play some of this.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
You call me a liar. Oh no.
Nobody want to make a chain tattoo?
We don't have with the pause right here.
I just want to know where the waffles at. I'm not really making it. I just want waffles. I want. You gotta pull it up. I forgot to tell y'all about last night. Last night we went karaoke.
Everybody's looking at me now.
We went to go eat, but the food wasn't that good. This is my plate, but
Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling.
It's OJ and Jose. Peace it up with this peace and love and this peace and love.
It's about time I do it. It's about time and the same as this. Ain't game, girl. I ain't gonna you do it.
right here with these shorts. So yeah.
That's my bro, my family, frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. I got stress, you are not late. If you become, you should not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby.
You go swim right here, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
We just put on our yellow bathing suits and we went to go take pictures, and we was like at the pool or whatever, but like we came back because we like to go ride the little bike things, the ATV, and ride the horses. So right now I just changed my fit. All I got is this two-piece set on, and I got a pink bikini on because we're supposed to be in the water also. So yeah. So I'm about to change my hair. I took some pictures, but like I got pictures. Some of these are not my pictures, but like here's some of them. I don't like all of them because I'm not like a picture person. But so I'm gonna record on my phone the whole time, and probably on the GoPro if I do. Okay. I don't know what we finna do. Ain't no man me take a shower and come right back out. I was supposed to take a shower and go back to bed. I was supposed to go to sleep.
What's good, guys? Back with another vlog, guys. You know what is going on. Did a man. We got goofy eye nigga right here. And like a millionaire, guys. Yeah, this is real talk. You know, if you want bread, bro, you gotta work hard for it, guys. Work real hard. You understand, guys? I'm gonna give y'all real talk. Y'all really gotta work hard for what y'all want. That's just real rap. If you wanna become a basketball player, bro, You gotta work hard. You gotta get in that gym, grind every day. You know? Actually, friendly, let me be family, bro. Whatever that shit called. But yeah, you gotta get in there, work hard every day. Just like that. Bitter man. Alright, you know, yeah.
How you been though?
Good.
You know how I just be.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna give y'all a brief intermission of me, behind the scenes of me taking her picture, so.
She made the same faces in every picture.
Light up a little bit. I don't know what no faces to make.
It be the same.
So no, I'm just playing.
Move or
I'm move.
Move, uglies. Okay, move out my way.
Fuck the vlog. Fuck the vlog.
Why you gotta cuss? I gotta beep it out now. Okay.
Harlem.
Move.
I just feel move your.
You just out eating a girl's
Yeah,
up
over
on
there.
the tree.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Bro,
don't hype her up, bro.
You're not eating the girls up. That one little thing right there, you're not eating the girls up.
But you know why I am eating?
Phone up.
What y'all about to do?
I
don't know.
Y'all about to be like, go away.
See that? That, they don't have that. We threw it away yesterday.
Y'all threw it away? Y'all don't got
You
it.
tell someone.
I'm gonna be listening to
Okay, let's go.
Lemonade.
Hey y'all, I haven't been recording lately, and that's really bad. But I got footage, but I don't have like scenes of me telling y'all what the activity was. But right now we have reservations for a dinner, and I don't like my hair, so I'm gonna change it later before I take my pictures. But this is the little fib. So we had to have 2 reservations because it's a large group of us. One of us had to come at 7, the rest of us had to come at 8. And of course, black people are always late. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, dear Samantha, to you. You are made for me. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. I said, wow, it's the end of the vlog, and you know, everything comes to an end. But I really enjoyed. So, y'all subscribe, like, comment. I don't think you can comment on here because it's like restricted or something. Yeah, I really enjoy myself. And I enjoy vlogging. Why is it like blurry? Like, I don't understand. Yeah.